And so we're off. We've already seen 8 teams in the newly branded Indian Football League before the start of this one. The final 2 on show in front of you at the SSC Stadium in Shillong. It's home side Shillong Lajong, and they're all red, and boy oh boy did they get going from the word go. It's got a nice compact feel to it as well, and like you mentioned, the spectators are pretty close by. Yeah, a bit of late drama in that one as well. I'm guessing a lot of people are going to be talking about it. Rajasthan at the other end, they come pretty close. Wonderful run coming in. Just came out of nowhere, end-to-end stuff going on.
Yeah, intense stuff. This is the way Shillong play. It'll be attack and then you attack. We'll attack and then you'll attack. We saw that in the Durand Cup. We saw that last season with the number of goals they scored and conceded. And just the way they play, which, you know, for the neutral, it makes for exciting football. So don't step away, otherwise you're going to miss far too much.
First bar, the ball is put in. Danger still not cleared. It's been a good start to this one. We're only 2 minutes in, and they've given you the ingredients of what promises to be a mouth-watering occasion tonight.
And understanding some of the decisions, because at first glance you think why and how they made that decision, and then when you get the explanation, it's a lot clearer. So it helps. And as soon as I saw that, I thought, oh, okay, he's put his flag up. There has to be offside.
All the more than you give credit to the referee, because I thought he had a spotless game. It was perfect. Didn't get anything wrong. Was pretty consistent in his decision making and branding out the cards as well. So well done to the referees who were officiating the game, first game of today. I remember I was talking to Lars Singh Ming as well, who's been running Lajong now for a number of years. And something not too many clubs I've seen in Indian football, where player sales is something they take very seriously. So the money they get in from player sales and how they invest it back into the club. And here we are, we're talking about clubs, of course, finding it hard. Here comes Lajong at the other end though. Sana, who's gone down. And it looks like a penalty's been given. It isn't to be. Or is it? At the second time I've been given that opportunity, Sana Everbrighton makes no mistake whatsoever. The penalty that he took, possibly won't want to revisit it again. A good save by Mala Thakuri, but he was alert to pounce on the reaction. And boy oh boy, no one, I don't think anyone is going to miss from that close. Shillong Lajong have made the perfect start to life in the Indian Football League. 14 minutes in, 1-0 up in front of the home crowd. "57 caps as well. Wonderfully done. Wonderfully done. He's been the one that stood out so far for Rajasthan. Now about Mithai. Whenever he's got the ball down that left flank, he just hasn't looked back. It's very positive in intent. Lajong, wonderful play, wonderfully put in as well. Was hoping his teammate would have, of course, understood what he was planning to do. Nonetheless, so many positives in seeing the way they're attacking. Here come Rajasthan. Now, wonderful chance, wonderful opportunity. Just not the finish that he was hoping for. They've been second best for the first 23 minutes, but when that chance came, boy oh boy, he should have made it count.
That's what we were talking about. This man, when he finds that little pocket of space as the ball is being rotated.
Yeah, it's any moment now. The referee will signal to the end of the first half. There it is. It's been a first half which has definitely had its moments for the home side. Shillong Lajong have really announced themselves in the Indian Football League as a team to watch. A good ball now, pretty much in the opening minute. Good ball put in as well from that right flank. You had 2 players, but it was Sibel Rimbai who did just about enough to keep it out, but danger still not been put away. It's been a good start for the away side Rajasthan. So many things that's come into a speech talking about a well-coached team. It's the sink. You opt for the sink. Now here come Lajong down the left flank. A good ball that's been put in, but for the long legs of Cedric Gugua, it's gone out for a corner. Yeah, not the kind of corner he would have been hoping for. They've still got it in possession. Now it's cleared.
It's come off the referee, which is why play stopped, and it'll have to be a drop ball, uncontested drop ball to Rajasthan. Lajong won't be complaining too much, as gives them an opportunity to drop back, get numbers back in their defence.
And on we go. Shafil PP plays it off to Cedric Gogoa, who goes long. Just can't seem to understand what he was thinking of doing at that time. Lucky at that time that Rudraved just couldn't control it. Now by Mithai couldn't put enough pressure on him. Here's Amadou. And again a miss pass, just unable to control it. It's the foreign contingent of Rajasthan United that really need to pull up their socks. Headed back to safety, headed back to the goalkeeper. Here's Amadou. Amadou, has he done just about enough? That ball is still there, and that ball has been converted. Abhishek Ambekar, the left full back of all people, was out there in the Shillong lajong box. And when that ball came trailing in front of him, all he had to do was use that left foot of his and draw level in front of the home crowd. Tries to go second post. Cleared by Pragyan Gogoi. Now down the left they come, Lajong. Put in that ball. Just didn't have the right kind of height to beat Mala Thakuri from there. Here's Sakuna. Long range effort. Out of nowhere, Jordan Lamela very nearly getting the winner for Rajasthan United. Here's Pedro. Moves it down to the left. Here's the new man in. Tries putting it inside, but no one trying to intercept it in its trajectory. Goes straight into the hands of Lajong keeper Sibel Rimbai. And that is the last bit of play that you'll see in Shillong. At the SSC Stadium, it is Shillong Lajong that went ahead in the first half, courtesy of Sana Eber Brightson. But Rajasthan United